In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 ways to compress the file size of your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So this PDF here, as you can see, it's 412 KB and I want to compress it. And it has lots of text, but it also has lots of images, vector images. So the first way to compress it is going to Menu and then choosing Save as Other. And here we're going to choose Reduced Size PDF. And here you can choose to make it compatible with several versions of Acrobat, but I'm going to retain my existing. And then you're going to press OK. And here it asks you to save it. And I really recommend saving a copy of your original file, like this. And now it's saving it. And as you can see, I had 412 KB and this one gave me 290 KB, which is a lot smaller, but we can go smaller still. So for this one, we're going to go to Menu and then choose Save as Other. And here we're going to choose Optimized PDF. Because Optimized PDF gives you lots more options to control how your images and your fonts are being compressed. If you're having a PDF that is being viewed on the screen, it's advised to have around 72 ppi. And you can manually adjust this, but you can also go to Settings here and choose Mobile, because mobile compresses down a lot. But it still keeps your images crisp and clear. So you can do this one and then still adjust it manually if you want to. But if you're happy, we're going to press OK. And now again, it asks you to save a copy. I'm going to call it version 2. And as we can now see, my version 2 has been compressed down even more than my version 1. And you can play around with the PPI sizes of your images also to see what you can obtain. But yeah, those are 2 ways how you can adjust your file size for your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.